Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by importing and prepping your footage so motion works predictably. Select clips, trim to highlight points, and delete filler. This reduces erratic motion paths. Once done, set the project aspect ratio and frame rate to match your delivery platform so motion scale feels correct. Make sure layers are organized. Name tracks, lock background, and group related clips. You'll save time when animating because keyframes and effects will align to consistent clip lengths and composition. Now you create motion. Choose a motion preset for instant results or tap keyframe to craft a custom path. Add a keyframe at the start, move the playhead, change position /scale/rotation, then add another keyframe. Capcut interpolates between them. For natural movement, apply easing curves and adjust speed with 0. 5x or 2x where needed. Make sure to set the anchor point before rotating. That prevents odd pivots. Preview repeatedly and shorten or extend keyframe spacing to control smoothness. Finish by polishing and exporting a short test at the intended resolution to verify motion quality. If you see stutter or clipping, first retime your keyframes so movement spans more frames. If that fails, enable frame blending or apply stabilization. Make sure overlays and text use the same easing to match foreground motion. Once satisfied, export your final video and save your custom motion as a preset. This speeds future projects and maintains consistent motion language across edits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.